think it's a good question. How long does it take to manifest things?
There's a saying that I actually told you earlier that Abraham Hicks said, it doesn't take time, it takes alignment.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we literally it should be here next time.
Yeah. And it happened to me. So that's why I'm like, okay, I'm a living proof for that. Like, I really believe it. It doesn't take time, it takes alignment. And alignment means that there's least or zero resistance. And what resistance means, like disbelief, self-doubt.
What if you're in a very dark place? You try to manifest things, but you can't help with those thoughts.
I've been there. My advice would be gentle with yourself and don't try so hard first. It's like you cannot just like be in a really dark place and then you want like tomorrow you be like a millionaire. Like it's impossible.
So do we need to be realistic?
No, you just be gentle with yourself and gently shifting your vibration, you know, from that low place to higher frequency, but do it slowly so your body doesn't get shocked and resist. Do it slowly, and by like just start to
it's step by step, right?
step.
Okay.
And the advice is stop making it worse.
At least, yeah.
Yes. If you feel like you're in a really bad place already, just stop right there. That's like the first step to create or recreate the life that you want. Stop making it worse. That's it. And rest. And just do something to like stop that train of negative thoughts. Like you can just like watch Friends, or you can just listen to music, or you sleep, or you take a bath, or you go for a walk, or you meditate, or you even cry. Whatever you do, just do it. When you in a like more balanced, more receptive state of mind, then you can start doing this manifestation, because that so happens faster.
It's not right away. Like it's not because you feel sad, bad, or whatever that you can manifest right away. It's more like when you are ready to do it.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes. That's why meditation puts you in that state. Like when you're open for more possibilities, right? Instead of like reciting the same old scenarios in your mind. But meditation, it kind of like slows down your mind, right? And creates that gap between the thoughts. And so the wider the gap is, then the more new possibilities could come in. And that's when you can like take in like new thoughts and new beliefs. Be patient with yourself. When you really already like on the momentum of manifesting, when you're like in a really high vibration already most of the time, then you can manifest it so quickly.
I agree.
Because the resistance is getting less and less and less. So it's all about resistance.
Yeah. Basically, if you don't manage to manifest something, ask yourself if you are really believing it.
Yes.
If you have any resistance.
Yes.
Right?
Exactly.
Like be honest.
Yes.
And be aware of that resistance. So at least it's already a step forward, right?
Oh yeah, of course. Yeah. Self-awareness is like great important, like so important. And again, meditation helps you to increase that awareness. Basically, you sit down and you see, you watch. Right? Like what kind of thoughts or beliefs that you're still holding about a certain topic that you're trying to manifest. Yeah.
I love talking to you, Me too.
Yeah,
it was so nice. Yeah, we can do this for hours, not counting, Bear with us and watch this second video. Okay, so just see you very soon, like in 5 minutes. Okay, bye guys, and don't forget please to subscribe if you like, if you want to get more self-aware, if you are into self-development, self-growth. I really want you to grow with me also. I started by making interviews and a bit like sharing my life, but now I really want to also share what I really feel and how I feel, because I don't share everything on this channel for sure, but I really want to get more spiritual, and talking about law of attraction. Like I love it. Like it's
and so much more.
Yeah, and so much more.
Yeah. like chakras. And
yeah, chakra.
meditation.
How to meditate. Make another video about the techniques of manifestation. See you guys. Bye bye.